the vibrant city of Indianapolis, where innovation thrives and technology flourishes, the importance of robust security and technology infrastructure cannot be overstated. As our city continues to grow, so too does the demand for seamless connectivity and reliable systems.
Hi, my name is Colin Hill. I'm Chief Information Officer for Indianapolis and Marion County and Director of ISA, the Information Services Agency. We are the central IT provider for all of the city-county enterprise, which includes 46 different departments and agencies. As we looked at Bell Technologics, we realized that their relationships with their customers were more of a partnership. It was more than just a contract. It was delivering a service that meant something both to them and to their customers. With the city-county bringing in a partner who will care for not just ISA, but all of our other departments and agencies was really important for us. We knew that they would handle our not only us, but also our customers with a white glove treatment, making sure that there was care in the process of delivering the IT services for all of the city-county. When we think about the significant impact that Bell has had on Indianapolis and Marion County, our first thought goes to the COVID-19 pandemic. One of the first projects that we had was migrating all of our workstations to Windows 10. So we were also going through a refresh of IMPD's laptops, which is our police department. As soon as the pandemic began, that helped us contribute to getting everyone out of the city-county building in under 3 weeks' time, which was amazing to think about as you look at local government being such a bricks and mortar type of organization. That was a big change for us. We also had to spend a significant amount of time in developing secure communications as we rolled that out, and Bell was right there with us and leading the charge. One of the most significant things that Bell Technologics has brought to the city-county was our Tech Cafe. We opened this shortly after they came on. In doing so, it allowed for customers to get direct support from our field services team. It is really a first point of contact, white glove treatment for the customers that our customers enjoy and we enjoy it for them. Bell Technologics has been involved with the city-county now for over 5 years, and as we continue along in our relationship, I think it's only going to improve over time. They understand the intricacies of our relationships and our customers, whether it's ISA, the police department, the fire department, the courts. They understand how we all work and what our needs are, where we're a little shy of doing something, where we are ready to advance and make things happen. That relationship will only enable that digital government of the future that we're looking to achieve. And we look forward to the future working with Bell Technologics.